How is it going, everybody? You're watching Then About Tech. So if you're watching this video, your iPhone is probably stuck. It's unresponsive, frozen, so no matter what you do, nothing happens. Your touch inputs, they don't work, they don't do anything. If you press on your buttons, if you're plugging in your charger, nothing seems to happen. Maybe it's even worse and your iPhone is stuck on the Apple logo. Maybe it's in a boot loop, so you see the Apple logo, then it turns off, then it turns back on with the Apple logo, and it repeats the process in a loop. Again, completely unresponsive and you can't get out of it. And maybe you are in the worst scenario where your iPhone is completely black. So again, no matter what you do, you press on the buttons, even on the power button, and nothing happens. Well, in this video, I got you covered because I'm gonna teach you how to fix any and all of those issues. Frozen, stuck, boot loop, black screen. I'm gonna teach you how to recover your iPhone. Let's get started. Okay guys, so the first thing I want you to do is to force restart your iPhone. It's a very simple process. It just takes a few seconds and you won't lose any of your data, so it's super safe. This process will vary a little bit depending on your iPhone model, and I'm gonna show you for everyone. So if you have an iPhone 8, like this guy right here, or newer, up until the iPhone 16 Pro Max, it's the very same process. So all you're gonna do is press and release the volume up, press and release the volume down, and then press and hold your side button, okay? And we're gonna continue holding the button until we see the Apple logo. This is the forced restart. I'm gonna do it with you. So volume up and release, volume down and release, press and hold the side button. If your iPhone is completely stuck, you won't see anything on the screen, but don't worry, the process will happen. It will force restart, even if you don't see anything. So you probably see an Apple logo right now, and then as you can see, the Apple logo, and of course you can let go. And then your iPhone has just force restarted, like it just turned off and now it's turning back on. Again, no data loss, okay? Let it do its thing, let it restart, and then you're good to go. As you can see, it has just restarted. I can go ahead, swipe up, type in my passcode. It will be necessary for this very first time, and then you're good to go. You got your iPhone back. Now let me show you for older models, because the process is a little bit different. Now, if you have an iPhone 7, and this is specific for the 7 series, so iPhone 7 and 7 Plus, the process is a little bit different. All you have to do is press the volume down, as you can see right here, and your side button at the same time, and then the exact same will happen. So press and hold both at the same time, keep holding, keep holding, keep holding. You may see nothing on the screen, don't worry, eventually it'll turn black, and then when you see the Apple logo, you can let go. It may turn black or it may turn white depending on your iPhone model, but you got the idea. Now, if you have an iPhone 6S or older, so an iPhone with a physical home button where you can press and you can feel it's a button, right? Even when the iPhone is turned off, as you can see right here, then we have our final method, which is you're gonna press and hold the home button and the side button or power right here at the top, okay? If it is an iPhone 5S or older, okay? So again, press and hold the home button and the power button, which is right here or right here. Press and hold both at the same time, and then again, keep holding until the iPhone turns off. And then again, when you see the Apple logo, you can let go. And that's how you force restart any iPhone. Generally, this method on its own will fix the majority of scenarios, the majority of bugs, issues, and pretty much any kind of problems you're having with your iPhone. If the process did work, I do recommend that you go ahead and open up your settings and then scroll down and tap on General, and then go to iPhone storage, as you can see right here, and check your storage, because this is a very common reason why this is going on. It's so common that your iPhone is freezing and having problems and in a boot loop and so on because of your storage. So then you can go ahead and check if your storage is pretty much full or if it is already completely full. As you can see right here, that's not the case on my iPhone, but if it is on yours, go ahead and make sure that while your iPhone is still working before it freezes again, you go ahead and you delete your unused files, or of course you can go ahead and send your files to iCloud using iCloud Photos, using the Files app. So then you have a few possibilities, and there are videos here on the channel where I teach you how to do that as well. Okay, so your storage plays a big part on this issue specifically. Now, if it doesn't work, if you're having this issue and it doesn't work, if you can't get it to work, if you tried force restarting and it didn't work, you're still having the same issues as you were before, then I've got the final solution for you. Let me show you, which is Reboot. Yeah guys, if the force restart process doesn't work, you will need a computer, but don't worry because this method is universal. It works with both Mac and PC, and you will need a special software to help you out, and I do recommend that you use Reboot, specifically the iOS system repair feature, which I'm gonna show you in a second. So go ahead and check out the first link in the description. So tap on it and then you're gonna come straight to Tenorshare Reboot official website, and right here you can go ahead and download Reboot. As you can see, it's a free download. It works for Mac, as I mentioned, and for Windows as well. So you go ahead, download Reboot and install it. It's a very fast download, very fast installation process as well. And then it's gonna open up, and all you have to do, of course, is plug in your iPhone. So grab your cable and then plug in one end to your computer, as you can see right here, and the other end you can plug in to your iPhone. As you can see, plug it in, make sure it's actually charging, as you can see. And then, as you can see right here as well, maybe you will get a pop-up notification from Finder or from Windows. Okay, you don't need to worry about that. You can click on Not Now, or you can close. And then, as you can see, just make sure you have this information, this check that your iPhone is connected, which, as you can see, mine is fully connected. And all you have to do, guys, then is start your repair. So click on Start Repair, and then you have here two options. The standard repair, which will keep all your data, so don't worry, you're not gonna lose anything. Just like the force restart process, you don't lose any of your data with your standard repair. But you've also got your deep repair, and in this case it will completely format, reset, and repair your iPhone. Therefore, there will be data loss. So after the deep repair process has finished, your iPhone will be completely blank, brand new, as if it was opened out of the box. So my recommendation is, before you go ahead and repair your iPhone, for both possibilities, even the standard and of course the deep repair as well, you go ahead and back up your iPhone first, okay? As you probably already know, there are multiple ways you can back up your iPhone, like your iCloud backup, your computer backup with iTunes or Finder. But of course, I also recommend that you back it up using Tenorshare iCare Phone. This is a platform that will help you out with backups and many more features as well, but it will back up your iPhone so easily, effortlessly. It's super fast, and it has my recommendation as well. So it can go ahead and have a free download, again, both Mac and Windows PC, and I'll also have a direct link to iCare Phone in the description down below. Okay, so there you go. Make sure that if you are repairing your iPhone with Reboot, to backup first, okay? Just in case it needs to erase all your data, you will have a backup so you won't lose anything and you'll be able to recover it later on. And so that's it, guys. Make sure to take a look at the link in the description so you can go ahead and get Reboot right now. There are amazing offers for the full premium version of Reboot, which will give you access to absolutely everything. Not only the system repair tool, but of course, recovery mode, upgrade and downgrade, reset, anti-data recovery mode, and many more features. So amazing deals going on right now. Take a look at the first link in the description, and also consider using iCare Phone for backing up your iPhone, okay? And finally, before we wrap this up, if you've tried everything, force restart, if you tried Reboot with all of its tools and features, and still your iPhone is unresponsive, is stuck, frozen, in a boot loop. So if it didn't fix the issue, then there's nothing else you can do at home. That's as far as possible that we can do at home. Okay, we've used all of the tools we have, we've used all of the advanced possibilities we have right here, but if we're still having the issue, then you have a hardware issue. So there's a problem with one or multiple parts inside your iPhone. Is a hardware thing. So there's no way you can fix this at home. And my recommendation is take it to an Apple store because it needs to be fixed. Okay, so thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. As usual, guys, bye bye.